Welcome student in 12th math second. We had started topic number first differentiation. In last video we had seen inverse trigonometric function and example on it. Now in this video we will see what is logarithmic function and what is implicit function. So let's start. Student, what is the logarithmic function? See, if I take suppose y is equal to tan raised to e raised to x, then what happens? See here, in earlier videos we had seen y is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Such type of functions are there. This type of function is called explicit functions. These functions are called as explicit function. What is meant by explicit functions? Here on the LHS there is only y and on the RHS there are x terms in the x. So these are separated. X and y are here separated. So it is called a explicit function. Now what is the logarithmic function? See, I had given here y is equal to tan e raised to x. So here there are two functions. One is the tan x and other is the e raised to x. So in such type of cases there are two functions. Here we take log on both sides, that is log y is equal to log tan x raised to e raised to x. If there are two types of functions in the exponent form, then we use the logarithmic function. Now you know the logarithmic rule. First is log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. This is the first rule for logarithmic. Then what is the second rule? Log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n. And third rule, log a raised to b is equal to b into log a. For logarithmic function taking derivative, we need these three rules of logarithmic. Log of product is equal to sum of the logarithmic. Log of quotient is difference of logarithmic, and log of exponential function is b into log a. Okay, in such type of function we use logarithmic function. Next one is then what is the implicit function? See here, I had told you what is the explicit function. Now implicit function, suppose I here give an example, 2x square plus xy plus y square. Observe this equation. Here there are two variables present, x and y. So whenever taking we derivative of such type of function, then we say that here we can take derivative of x directly with respect to x. Derivative of here we use the product rule, and here you take derivative of y with respect to x. Then we get dy by dx, and then we find the value of dy by dx in terms of x and y. Such type of function is called a implicit function. This is the logarithmic function and implicit function. You remember only one thing: whenever there are two functions in exponential form, we take log on both sides, and whenever there are x and y in mixed function, then we take the implicit function. Now we will see example based on logarithmic function and implicit function. That is example in practice set 1.3. So let's start. See students, exercise 1.3. Question 1 is differentiate the following with respect to x. The exercise depends on logarithmic function and implicit function. we have to differentiate with respect to x. We have to differentiate with respect to x. So here we take here log on both sides. So what we get? Log of y is equal to log x plus 1 bracket square upon x plus 2 bracket cube into x plus 3 raised to 4. Now you know the formula for logarithmic. Log a upon b is equal to log a minus log b. डिव्हायडेशन असेल तर मायनस घेतोय आपण आणि मल्टिप्लिकेशन असेल तर प्लस घेतोय. अँड यू नो लॉग ए इंटू बी इज इक्वल टू लॉग ए प्लस लॉग बी. अँड थर्ड फॉर्म्युला log a raised to b is equal to b into log a. We know these three formulae in the logarithmic. Okay, you remember all these three formulae. Use that formula. What we get? See, we get log y as it is. Then here in this step you use the logarithmic rule. At the numerator log x plus 1 bracket square upon denominator there is multiplication. So for multiplication logarithmic use take plus, and for division minus. So what happens this step? Log x plus 1 bracket square, division means minus, and here log x plus 3 bracket cube into x plus 3 bracket raised to 4. Okay, now here again you use the formula. Here product is there, so there is plus sign. So minus plus minus is there, and minus plus minus. Next step you use the formula for here. Log m into n is equal to log m plus log n, and due to this minus sign here becomes minus sign. Okay, now here log a raised to b is equal to 2. These two get multiplied. 2 into log x plus 3. Here also 3 into log x plus 2 and 4 into log x plus 3. Now here differentiate with respect to x. What happens? See, dy 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to 2 as it is, and derivative of log x is derivative of log x 3 constant term as it is into derivative of x plus 2. Here derivative of log x plus 2, log remains here, and 4 into derivative of log x plus 3. So you know what is the derivative of log x? Derivative of log x is d by dx of log x is 1 upon x. So here you write 2 as it is, 1 upon x plus 1 into derivative of again 1, x is 1, minus 3 into derivative of x plus 2 is 1 upon x plus 2 into derivative of x is 1, and here 4 as it is, derivative of x plus 3 is 1 upon x plus 3 into derivative of x 1. So our next step is 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to 2 upon x plus 1 minus 3 upon x minus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3. Now take y to the RHS. dy by dx is equal to y into whole bracket, that is 2 upon x plus 1 minus 3 upon x plus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3. Now put the value of y. What is the value of y? We had calculated above. Y is x plus 1 bracket square upon x plus 2 bracket cube into x plus 3 raised to 4, and remaining bracket, this bracket is as it is. Okay, understand? It's very simple. Now see the second example. Y is equal to cube root of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x bracket square. We know what is meant by cube root. Cube root means raised to 1 upon 3. So replace cube root by 1 upon 3 in the first step. Then take log on both sides. Therefore we get log y is equal to log 4x plus minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x square raised to 3. Here 4x is there, there is printing mistake, 4x. Okay, So again here you use the rule for logarithmic. log m raised to n is equal to n into log m. So here 1/3 get multiply. Okay, 1/3 into log 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5x minus 2x bracket square. Okay, now you use the formula here, logarithmic formula. Apply log here, log y as it is. Okay, then these are the formulae you have discussed in example first also. 1/3 as it is. Log m upon n means log m minus log n. Okay, again use the formula for logarithmic. 1/3 as it is. Log 4x minus 1 as it is. Here log m into n means log m plus n, and here due to minus here becomes minus. Okay, understand both the step. Here we use log m minus n, and here log m plus log n. So final step get we log y is equal to 1/3 log 4x minus 1 minus log 2x plus 3 minus 2 log 5 minus 2x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. What is the derivative of log y? Derivative of log y is 1/y into again dy by dx, because we are differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of log y is with respect to y is 1/y, and again derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Then 1/3 constant term as it is. D by dx, give derivative to each term in this bracket. D by dx of log 4x minus 1 minus d by dx of log 2x plus 3 minus 2 common, d by dx of log 5 minus 2x. So we get 1/y into dy by dx as it is, 1/3 as it is. What is the derivative of log x? Log x derivative क्या है? 1/x. Okay, 1/x into derivative of again x. X means here 4x minus 1, and here derivative of log 2x plus 3 is 1/2x plus 3 into derivative of 2x plus 3, and here minus 2 as it is. Derivative of log is 1/5 minus 2x into derivative of again 5 minus 2x. Okay, so we get this as it is, 1/y into dy by dx as it is, 1/3 as it is. Here derivative of 4x is 4, so what becomes 4 upon 4x minus 7. Here derivative of 2x is 2, so we get 2 upon 2x plus 3, and here derivative of minus 2x is minus 2, and this remains as it is. So we get 1/y into dy by dx, 1/3 as it is, 4/4x minus 1 as it is, minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 as it is, and here minus minus becomes plus. 2 2s are 4 upon 5 minus 2x. So we get C, 1/y dy by dx as it is, 1/3 as it is. Now here what happens? See, so take y to the RHS, we get dy by dx is equal to y into this bracket, means put the value of y, cube root of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x bracket square into this bracket same as it is. Okay, see the third one example. Y is equal to x square plus 3 raised to 3 upon 2 into sin cube 2x into 2 raised to x square. Here take log on both sides, we get log y is equal to log x square plus 3 raised to 3 upon 2 into sin cube 2x into 2 raised to x square. Now log y as it is, on the RHS you apply the logarithmic rule. First here multiplication is there, so you use the rule log x log m plus log n. Okay, so here becomes log x square plus 3 raised to 3 upon 2 plus log sine cube 2x plus log 2 raised to x square. So we get, here you use the log m raised to n is equal to n into log x square plus 3. Here log sine cube 2x is 3 into log sine 2x, and here log 2 raised to x square is x square into log 2. We use here formula log a raised to b is equal to b into log a. Okay, so our next step is log y as it is log m raised a raised to b is equal to b into log a, means 3 upon 2 into log x square plus 3. Here also 3 into log sin x sin 2x, and here x square into log 2. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get what is the derivative of log y? Here d by dx of here remains d by dx of log y is equal to 3 upon 2 into d by dx of log x square plus 3, 3 into log d by dx of log sin x 2x, and d by dx of x square log 2. Okay, so what is the derivative of log y? Derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. 3 upon 2 constant term as it is. What is the derivative of log 1 upon x into derivative of again x square plus 3 as it is. What is the derivative of log sin x? 1 upon sin x into derivative of again sin x, and here log 2 is the constant term as it is. And what is the derivative of x square? Derivative of x square is 2x. So we get the next step, 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to 3 upon 2 into 1 upon x square plus 3 into derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, 3 upon sin 2x into derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x into derivative of again 2 is 2, and 2x log 2 as it is. So we get dy by dx is equal to y into bracket 3, here 2 get cancelled, 3 upon x square plus 3 plus 3 to the 6 cos x 2x upon sin 2x plus 2x log 2. Now put the value of y. Value of y put, this is the final answer. Similarly, there is question number 4. You solve yourself question number 4. Then question number 5, same as question, same, this is question C. Here also you apply log, then use logarithmic rule log m into n minus log n, and then simplify. You solve yourself. Then 6th example, it is easy. Here also you take log on both sides, then apply logarithmic rule and differentiate. It is also simple, you try yourself. And last one is the y is equal to sin x raised to x. Here also you take log on both sides and then use logarithmic rule x into log sin x, and then differentiate. You get the final answer. Okay, then 8-1 is also same. See here and you calculate yourself. Here the question number 1 completes. See question number 2. Differentiate the following with respect to x. First is y is equal to x raised to e plus x raised to x plus e raised to x plus e raised to e. Here you take the adjustment. Take adjustment as x raised to e plus e raised to x plus e raised to e into plus x raised to x. That is, you take y is equal to u plus v. Now you know what is u is here, x raised to e plus e raised to x plus e raised to e, and what is v is here, x raised to x. Okay, now you know dy by dx is equal to dy by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, here du by dx is there is printing mistake, du by dx. So first you find u du by dx. In this step, first you find du by dx and then you find dv by dx. So take first u is equal to x raised to e plus e raised to x plus e raised to e. See students, question 1 is of the form logarithmic function and question 2 is of the form implicit function. So here you find du by dx and dv by dx separately, and then add these two terms, you get required answer. So u is x raised to e plus e raised to x plus e raised to e. Differentiate with respect to x, we get what is the derivative of u with respect to x, du by dx, and d by dx of x raised to e plus e raised to x plus e raised to e. Take derivative to each term, d by dx of x raised to e plus d by dx of e raised to x plus d by dx of e raised to e. So what is the derivative of x raised to e? E into x raised to e minus 1. What is the derivative of e raised to x? E raised to x into log e, and derivative of e raised to e is 0. So we get du by dx is equal to e into x raised to e minus 1 plus e raised to x, because log e is 1. Okay, here we first find du by dx. Now from v we find dv by dx. Here x raised to x is there, so take log on both sides. We get log v is equal to log x raised to x. Log v is equal to x log x. Now differentiate with respect to x, you get what is the derivative of log v, 1 upon v into dv by dx, and here you use the product rule, x into log x, that is first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So we get x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of x. 1 upon v into dv by dx as it is, x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So here becomes x upon x plus log x as it is, derivative of x is 1. So we get dv by dx is equal to, take v on the RHS, we get v into bracket x get cancelled, 1 plus log x. dv by dx is equal to, put the value of v, x raised to x into bracket 1 plus log x. So we find dv by dx, du by dx. So from equation first, second and third, you write dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Put the value of du by dx and put the value of dv by dx. We get the final answer. Now see the second example. Y is equal to x raised to x plus e raised to x raised to x. You write this in the form y is equal to u plus v, where u is x raised to x and v is e raised to x. Now you find first du by dx, and then from this you find du by dx, and from v you find dv by dx. First you find du by dx. For this take u is equal to x raised to x. Taking log on both sides, log u is equal to log x raised to x. Log u is equal to, on the RHS you take the rule of logarithmic, that is x raised to x into log x. Differentiate with respect to x, log u is 1 upon u into du by dx, and on the RHS you use the product rule. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first, means x raised to x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of x raised to x. Left hand side as it is, x raised to x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, log x as it is, derivative of x square is x raised to x, we don't know. So here again you find, take this as w, so we get w is equal to x raised to x. Again find derivative this, so log w is equal to log x raised to x, log w is equal to x log x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of log w? 1 upon w into dw by dx. And here again first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So we get as 1 upon w into dw by dx as it is, x into log x is 1 upon x, log x as it is, derivative of x is 1, x get cancelled, we get 1 plus log x. Therefore dw by dx is equal to w into 1 plus log x. Put the value of w, x raised to x. Now put this value in equation number 2. So we get 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to this as it is, this as it is. Here you replace x raised to x by x raised to x into bracket 1 plus log x. Find du by dx, take u on the RHS, u into this bracket. Now put the value of u and again this bracket as it is. Here we get du by dx. Now we find dv by dx. So what is v? First write v. V is e raised to x. Apply log on both sides. Log v is equal to log e raised to x. Differentiate with respect to x, you get log, not differentiate, see here, differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of log v? 1 upon v into dv by dx, and here this step is not there, d by dx of x raised to x. So what is the derivative of x raised to x? We had calculated x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Take v on the RHS, v into x raised to x plus 1 into bracket 1 plus log x. Put the value of v, e raised to x into x square into x raised to x into bracket 1 plus log x. So we finally find du by dx and dv by dx. So we put the formula now, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Substitute the values, du by dx, put the value of du by dx, this is the value of du by dx and this is the value of dv by dx. Now finally what is the common? X raised to x into x raised to x log x. What remains? 1 upon x log x plus 1 log x. Here this is the as it is. Okay, here second example is completed. See third one is same. Third one is very easy, you can solve yourself. Suppose this is u and this is v, and find first you take u, find du by dx, then you take v, find dv by dx and put the value in equation number first. Okay, then fourth one is, suppose this is as u and this second as v. They differentiate, we get dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now take separate u and separate v and differentiate, find du by dx and dv by dx. and put the value. You get the final answer. Next one, fifth one. Y is equal to e raised to 10x plus log x raised to 10x. Here also you take u and v, find du by dx and dv by dx. See, what is u e raised to 10x? Taking log on both sides, log u is equal to log e raised to 10x. Log u is equal to 10x into log e. Log e value is 1, that is 10x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of log u? Derivative of log u is 1 upon u into du by dx. And what is derivative of 10x? Derivative of 10x is sec square x. So du by dx is equal to u into sec square x. What is the value of u? E raised to 10x into sec square x. And then v, find v. Take v, taking log on both sides. Now differentiate. Derivative of log v is 1 upon v into dv by dx. And here you use the product rule. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. Take u on the RHS, put the value of u, and then further simplify. Here 10x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon log x into derivative of x. Log x is again 1 upon x. See here, 10x is as it is, okay, and derivative of log x is 1 upon log x into derivative of again log x is 1 upon x. Then log x as it is, derivative of 10x is sec square x, okay. Now take v on the, this is the v, take v on the RHS, get multiply into this bracket as it is. Now put the value of from equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. We get the required final answer.